Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 8 by Serifakera Publications. Let's begin with a new chapter today, which is related to the history. That is chapter number 51, Famous Explorers and Their Legendary Ships. In this chapter, we are going to study about the famous explorers. Details have been given over there, but there is a blank in between in which we have to write the name of the ship, the famous ships which they used in order to carry on their historic voyages. So let's read about it and fill in the blanks. Beginning with the first is the dash carried Vasco da Gama to India in 1498, making him the first European to reach India by sea. And his journey around the Cape of Good Hope opened up new routes or new trade routes between India and Europe, laying the foundation for centuries of exploration and exchange. And the name of the ship was Sao Gabriel. Then second, meaning forward, means the name of the ship was something which meant forward in Norwegian language. The Fram, F-R-A-M, Fram was used by Fridtjof Nansen to sail across the Arctic Ocean in the year 1893. Now later Roald Amundsen and his crew used the same vessel or same thing during their expedition to become the first people to reach where? To reach the South Pole in the year 1910. Children, nowadays the sailors, they use various technologies in order to make their voyage safer and peaceful. But earlier in those years like 1910, 1893, in the year 1769, these voyages or these trips were very harshful, unpeaceful, and means there was no availability of technology. And it is hats off to these people that they traveled so far just on an intention and with the feeling that God will always be with them, that they will travel by ships. Let's now move on to the third one. The third one is Lieutenant James Cook. He captained, means he was the captain of that ship, the HMS Endeavour. The name of the ship is HMS Endeavour, on his first voyage of discovery to Australia and New Zealand between the years 1769 and 1771. Now during the journey, the ship struck the Great Barrier Reef. Journey के दौरान, ये जो voyage के दौरान जो ship थी, it got struck to the Great Barrier Reef. And Cook had to throw heavy cargo. और कुक ने क्या किया, उन्हें heavy जो कार्गो था, जो भी सामान था, he had to throw away, including the guns. Now overboard to prevent it from sinking. किस लिए ये सब सामान फेंका गया था? In order to prevent the ship from sinking, ताकि वो ship डूबे नहीं. Beginning with the fourth one, with the oceanographer Sir John Murray on board the HMS Challenger, undertook a major scientific expedition between 1872 and the year 1876. Now he covered around 1,27,580 kilometers around the globe. The crew collected thousands of marine samples and discovered over 4,000 new species, greatly expanding our knowledge of the ocean life. अगर ये वॉयजेस कभी हुई नहीं होती तो हम शायद इतना ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर चुके होते. जैसे कि सर जॉन मरे की एक्सपीडिशन और या वॉयज से हमें क्या नॉलेज मिलती, हमारी नॉलेज इंक्रीज हुई कहाँ की, ओशन लाइफ की. देन नेक्स्ट इज द फिफ्थ वन, जेम्स क्लार्क रॉस. नाउ द रॉस वर्ड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट लेड हिज फेमस Antarctic expedition between 1839 and 1843 aboard the two warships which were known as the Erebus and Terror. During his journey, he discovered Victoria Land, the volcanoes of Mount Erebus and Mount Terror, and the massive Ross ice shelf. These were all named after him. ये सब नाम कब दिए गए? उनके ऊपर, जेम्स क्लार्क रॉस के ऊपर इन सब चीज़ों का नाम रखा गया। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो, माउंटेन का नाम एरेबस रखा गया है, माउंट टेरर, देन रॉस आइस शेल्फ. So these are the respected names of the famous ships. Now you must have noticed I have written at some places HMS. What does HMS stand for? It was a basically word which meant His Majesty's ship. It was a prefix given to the commissioned warships. So HMS stand for His Majesty's ship. On the next page, that is the B question, it says that read the clues below and fill in the blanks with the names of these famous world ships. And work with your partner. Once you have filled in your answers, exchange your books and check each other's work and share your scores with your teacher. So this is an activity which is only meant for you children. This activity you will do on your own. Look out for the answers and ask the teacher to share your marks and share your answers with your teacher. Let's see who scores the best, you or your partner. Now here in the C question they are saying test your movie knowledge, fill in the blanks below with it. Correct film title based on the clues given, and each of these films tells you the unique story set on the seas. So let's do the blanks. The first fill in the blank says that Dash is a 5-part movie series that follow the thrilling adventures of the Captain Jack Sparrow, one of the favorite movies, Elizabeth Swann, Will Turner and Captain Barbossa. And the name of the movie was Pirates of the Caribbean. Then moving on to the second, Dash tells the tragic true story of the Andrea Gale, a commercial fishing boat that sank with its crew during a fierce storm in the year 1991, and the name of the movie was The Perfect Storm. Then the third fill in the blank is The Dash is a documentary that follows Jeff Johnson's journey from California to Patagonia, Chile, as he retraces the footsteps of his travel heroes, and the name of the film was 180 Degree South. The last is Dash is a Norwegian film about the 1947 expedition across the Pacific Ocean that was led by Thor Heyerdahl, who sailed from South America to the Polynesian Islands, and the name of the film was Kon-Tiki. So these are the 4 names of the various movies or films, you can say, which are related to the unique story sets on the seas. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.